In this video, we're going to be talking about getting ungated on almost every single category on Amazon. All right. And if you don't know what gated means, gated is basically, as you can see right here, whenever you need approval to sell a certain product on Amazon. And when a product is ungated, that means you do not need approval. Now, keep in mind, you can make a lot of money on Amazon selling products that are ungated, and you never really have to go and try to sell products that you're gated in, right? You can literally just live off of the products that are already ungated on the platform and sell those products. For example, my little brother goes to Costco and he uses the Amazon Seller app on his phone to scan products inside of these stores, and he only looks for products that are already ungated where he does not need any approval from Amazon to sell those products. But there will be times when you do scan products and they are very, very profitable, and it's worth going through the process to get ungated in that category or that brand to start selling that product on Amazon. So if you run into that scenario where you find a product, whether it's through your supplier's website, a distributor, or in store, and you know for a fact you can make a lot of money selling that product, but it just so happens that you need approval, meaning it's gated, to sell that product on Amazon. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. All right. So if you are gated in a certain product, and I'll give you a scenario right here. So let's say, for example, this is a product that I want to sell on Amazon, right? This is a Burt's Bees product. As you can see, my supplier has it for $1.75. And this same product sells on Amazon for about $8.99. Okay. So let's say after fees, after shipping, this is still a product that is profitable, and it's a product that I want to pursue. Again, I'm just using this for an example, right? Let's say this is a product I want to pursue, but it just so happens that I'm gated and I cannot sell Burt's Bees on Amazon, right?
Hopefully you've been getting value, and I'm gonna let you get back to your video, but I just want to let you know that if you're watching this right now and you do have at least $5,000 to $10,000 to invest into products like this, and you want me and my team to help you with your Amazon journey so you can get results faster, I want you to waste no more time and go to the link in the description right now and click on that link that says you want to work with our team. All right, what that will do is it'll take you to a page where you can watch a training on how to immediately get started on making money on Amazon by selling products like this. All right, after you watch that video, it'll allow you to fill out an application to see if you qualify to work with me and my team. All right, so I'm gonna let you get back to the video. Just wanted to let you know that we are willing to work with you. All you got to do is click the link down below. See you.
Here is what you're going to want to do. This is a great website, guys. I highly recommend you guys use this to get ungated in certain categories and certain brands. It is called Frontier Coop. Okay, and make sure that you're on the wholesale version of this website, though. Okay, so you're going to go to wholesale.frontiercoop.com. Now, not every category on Amazon is going to be in here. Not every brand on Amazon is going to be in here, but there are several brands and several brands of categories on this website. Okay, one of them being Burt's Bees, the example that I'm showing you guys right now, right? And you can go to shop by category right here. As you can see, it says bath and body, beauty and fashion, gifts, grocery, health and wellness, etc. Or you can go to shop by brand to find different brands. And I'm gonna just go to the search bar and type in Burt's Bees. Now, guys, the reason why I recommend this website is because Amazon requires a couple things to get ungated for certain brands, right? So if you're trying to sell something on Amazon that is gated, they're going to ask you, number one, to submit an invoice from an authorized supplier or authorized reseller. And they're going to ask you to also basically take a picture of the product, and they're going to require that you have at least 10 units. Now, frontiercoop.com, the wholesale version, again, I can't stress that enough. Make sure you're on wholesale.frontiercoop.com. This website right here, as you can see, has Burt's Bees, and their invoices get accepted by Amazon. So if I wanted to sell Burt's Bees on Amazon, what I would do here is I would go to this product, any Burt's Bees product on this website. You truly want to find a product that's still profitable for you to sell, but that's not really the big picture goal here. Really just any product. You can find the cheapest Burt's Bees product on this website, and you will have to create an account to order it, which all you need to create an account on this website is your LLC and reseller's permit, which you should have already. And once you have those, once you've created an account, all you're going to do is order 10 units of any Burt's Bees product on the website. Once you've ordered 10 units of that product, you will then have the invoice that you will provide Amazon to get approved to sell this product, right? But not only this product, you will be approved to sell any Burt's Bees product on Amazon.com. Now, that's a huge win for us because if we did truly want to sell this Burt's Bees product, now we are on now we will be ungated in the whole Burt's Bees category, and we can start selling this product that we're buying for $1 for $8 on Amazon. Okay. So again, guys, this is one website that you can use to get ungated in different brands and different categories. And I wanted to just keep this video straightforward and straight to the point because I know for a fact I've been getting a lot of questions about people wanting to get ungated in different brands. And Frontier Coop is a great website to get ungated in certain brands and categories. Okay. So I'm going to include the link to this website in the description for you. If you found value in this video, please subscribe. It would really, really help out the channel. I'm really trying to blow up on YouTube. I'm trying to bring the value to you every single week. If you've noticed, we've been uploading twice a week, and we're not going to stop the consistency because I've been getting a lot of positive feedback. Again, guys, I appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. And remember, you're only one product away from achieving financial freedom on Amazon. Keep selling.